Are you looking for the best Padel rackets? In this video, we will look at some of the 3 best Padel rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PALLAP Control Velocity Team. Jeff Mayorga has competed at the top level in 3 different racket sports and plays padel, racquetball, squash, and pickleball. Mayorga said this well-balanced racket feels good in your hand while playing. From the moment I hit my first shot with it, I realized that it has incredible feel, he explained. When I tried this racket, it felt extremely light, had a comfortable handle to grip, and was easy to make quick movements. PALLAP labels this racket as a beginner or intermediate level model, making it a great first, second, or third padel racket. However, as a beginner, I wish it came with a second racket so that I could convince a friend to learn how to play with me. While it is labeled a power racket, it delivers commanding control, Mayorga said. The racket is specially designed with a carbon frame and body, aka the shell or skin, to maximize control of the ball and support stability, EVA foam that can aid with precision, and a unique spin driver 3D texture intended to add ball control and spin. Note that very light rackets like this one may not deliver as much power in a shot as a heavier racket will. The teardrop shape is ideal for players looking for a versatile racket that has both power and control. This shape has a balance between power and control where the sweet spot is slightly higher than round-shaped rackets but lower than diamond-shaped rackets, says Matt Begian, Assistant Product Manager of Indoor and Outdoor Games and Sports at Franklin Sports. Number 2. Franklin Sports Axel Padel Set. Enlist a friend to play or learn padel with you with this set of 2 high-quality padel rackets. For $140, these 2 rackets come with a can of balls and a carrying case, all of which are less expensive than one individual padel racket from other recommended brands. Begian said this is a great set for introducing beginners to the game of padel because it comes with everything you need and the design is ideal for beginners. The round circular shape has a higher chance for players to find the sweet spot, producing the best hit when striking the ball, said Begian. Just find a court, a coach to teach you, and you'll be good to go. Franklin Sports also has one of the best pickleball paddles our fitness pros tested, so it's a brand that we love for its solid, durable paddles. The textured wrapping around the handle makes it easier to grip while making quick movements, and the large shape makes it a bit easier to make contact with a ball. While the fiberglass frame and shell make this racket feel lightweight, it is less durable than a racket made with carbon. Number 3. PALLAP Control Velocity Elite Padel Racket. Made with an EVA 30-core type and carbon shell and frame, Mayorga was impressed by the great feel, control and power of this padel racket from PALLAP. This racket feels like an extension of my hand and delivers on its control name, he noted. Although it is quite expensive, it is an excellent option for those more advanced padel players looking for an upgrade. The racket is evenly balanced and designed to maximize control, stability, and power. The bridge has reinforcement patches and is made of basalt carbon fiber that helps minimize vibrations as you hit the ball. Whether I am redirecting a smash or hitting in powerful bandeja, this racket is stable through every shot, Mayorga shared.